Today we're making DIY dry shampoo. You're just going to need arrowroot powder and cocoa powder. Since my hair color is kind of like between a blonde and a brunette, I'm going to be mixing those two recipes together. You'll also need a 4-ounce glass jar with a lid and a clean makeup brush to apply it. For my hair color in between blonde and brunette, I'm just going to be using 3 tablespoons of the arrowroot powder. Okay, so if you were to buy an all-natural dry shampoo in the store, it could be close to $20, and it's just going to be made with these same ingredients. So I'm a big fan of DIY dry shampoo because the ingredients are very cheap. You can refill this container many times. I haven't bought dry shampoo in years. Okay, there we go. So now I have all the ingredients together. I'm just going to shake this up. Okay, you can see very close to my hair color. Beautiful. If you want, you can add a few drops of an essential oil, but definitely not necessary. Dip. Tap off any excess and then apply it straight to the roots. My hair gets greasy pretty easily, almost daily. Use your hands, flip your head over, use your hands to rub it in. And that's how you do it. That's your non-toxic DIY dry shampoo. I share a non-toxic DIY every Sunday. Eventually I will be sharing more, but for now, every Sunday, so follow for more non-toxic DIYs. Thank you for being here. Stay non-toxic and much love.